Right now we are in Penang, Malaysia. Now it's less than a 2-hour flight from Bangkok. I'm going to show you our hotel, we're going to rent a bike, we're going to cruise around the island and check it out. So come along with us, check out Penang, Malaysia. Okay, so we're in Penang and this is our hotel. We're staying at the Royal Chulann, Penang. Looks very nice. I think it's a pretty poshy one. I don't know, I booked it online, it was about $100 a night Australian or something. So it's probably a good hotel, who knows. Anyway, we're going to check it out. Yuli's checking in. Hello. Okay, so this is the room. Oh, it's quite nice, really big bed. Got a little workspace. Probably a little fridge and that in here, I'd say. Yeah, a little fridge down there. Plenty of cupboard space. Wow, massive, very good lounge. Have we got a balcony? And we've got a balcony, very good. Check out the bathroom. Shower. Nice little toilet. It's very big, very spacious, very nice. Alright, looks a bit fashy. We've got breakfast included in this, so yeah. So I'm going to rent this. It's a little Yamaha. So it's got some scratches on the fairing here. Plenty of little scratches on it. Scratches up here. A few scratches on the front. It's in pretty good condition. Just a few scratches here and there. That's about it. Alright, so it's 200 ringgit, 100 deposit and 100 for the bike for 2 days, or 80 for the bike for 2 days.
Yeah.
Cheap enough?
Extra helmet is 10 ringgit. So I take
Extra helmet, 10 ringgit. Come on. Hey?
Yeah. 2 days.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright, thank you, sir. Okay, so that was a lot easier than what I thought. It took 5 minutes to rent the bike. 80 ringgit, 40 ringgit a day, which is about $12, I think. $12 or $13 a day. Yeah, seems to go alright, good enough for here. Okay, I'll go get Yuli and we're out there exploring. No, we don't know where we're going, we're just cruising. So I suppose we're going to go this way. But this is our first look at the ocean, I suppose, the water from Penang Island. It looks like it's actually a big bay. I suppose that's the mainland maybe over there. Wow, there's a big container port over there, by the look of it. And yeah, so what we'll try and do, there's a couple of beaches way over there. We'll try and get right around out on that point somewhere, or even on the other side of those mountains over in the distance there. And have a little look around. Check out the architecture on some of these old buildings. Apparently a lot of the buildings are like 100 years old. There's a tour buses here looking at this, so I'm not sure what it is, but beautiful building. Yeah. This is part of an old fort or something. You see the 3 big giant cannons, and right around the wall, every fucking 6 or 8 metres, there's a big cannon. Yeah. So we're just driving through the town here, Georgetown, and check out this for a temple. It looks like it's Hindu, like an Indian Hindu temple. It's pretty big, it's all painted gold, and it's very nice. Feringi Bay. Alright, we're going to go down and check out Feringi Bay, because we're at Feringi. So why not check it out? Alright. I suppose this is it, yeah. It's a little beach, have a quick look at the beach. Alright, so this is Feringi Bay. And there's just a heap of little like restaurant warungs or whatever you want to call them along the beach. Oh, it's very nice. Nice white sand. It's very quiet. There's a few tourists up there. They look like locals, but very nice beach. A few jet skis you can rent and things like that. This looks like parasailing just going out. So I suppose if you want a pretty laid back, relaxing sort of holiday in Malaysia, well, this would be the place. Penang Island for sure, and just come right around the island, little beaches like this. Right, so it looks like it's pissing down rain up there in the mountains. It's coming this way too. This is a big water reservoir, big dam. And I suppose it's man-made for sure. It definitely looks man-made. It's just all boulders and rocks and concrete. You have a look how high it is on the other side. See the ocean over here. Yeah, it's just completely man-made, yeah. So this is the main water reserve for the whole island, I suppose. And that's rain, and it's only about 1 kilometre away. So we're going to get out of here now. Let's move. Huh? Really? So it was definitely just about to rain, so we got on the bike and we headed back to Penang. That's it. Right, so it's like a little coffee shop, just a hole in the wall. See the street art on the walls. It's scattered around the town. It's not all in one area, but there is street art around. There's a thing up here, you can see the girls. Someone's put like a set of swings against the wall, and there's a couple of kids, looks like they're playing on the swing. So there's sort of little retro shops like this with all old retro-y sort of stuff. Like 50s, 60s, 70s stuff. It's full little coffee shops and that. Right. Look like this, all this stuff in the alleyways, all the modern stuff. You can buy jewellery and things like that. And then there's just little retro coffee shops off it everywhere. A little thrift shop. Yeah, little mini thrift shop. And then they've just got little photo studios. You can come in here and get your photos taken and stuff. So girls are done up in there, I don't know, Malaysian or Chinese style or something. It's like a kimono, maybe Japanese style. Yeah, beautiful. And it's like a little gallery, I suppose. South Africa, Italy, Malaysia. It's got things like these old rotten chairs and stuff in front of little old antique windows, and it's a photo place. Everyone's here taking photos, and they leave all the old retro stuff and the old broken stuff just to make it look rustic, I suppose. It's the old post box. Then there's ones like this, like it's got a basketball ring up where the kids supposed to be playing basketball. Sort of creative the way they've done it, but it's not in one area. You've just got to really got to walk all around town to find it. You know when women say they're hungry and they want something to eat? Well, we've been riding around in the food capital of Malaysia in Penang looking for food for an hour and a half and still can't find nothing. Because everywhere we go, it's not good enough. There's actually a Subway sandwich on the corner. If she doesn't pick something soon, I'm gonna have a Subway. I'm starving. Alright, so check out this little joint. Little map of the world on the road, on the world. I can go upstairs for a little bit. Alright, and it's cool. There's a giant air conditioner, so this is it. Alright, so we picked that nice little restaurant with a map of the world on the wall, and he said, I'm too busy doing takeaway orders, you're going to come back in half an hour.
They're good and cheap.
Anyway, we found like a massive food court thing just right here around the corner. And if there's nothing in here, I'm seriously going back to Subway. I'm just going to buy a Subway. So we'll see what's in the food court. Okay, so after that it was really easy. We're just eating at this, the fusion food, the black olive rice. And I think that's the name of the actual little place. You just pay there and I'll bring it to the table. It took us 1 minute. Seriously, been riding around for at least an hour and a half. It's becoming very annoying. Anyway, I've got something now. So it was here in about 2 minutes. So it's like crumbs, chicken. And the rice is, all the rice is like black olive rice. You only got basically the same thing with a different sauce. Are you happy now you got your food, darling? How long did it take?
an hour looking for food.
More than 1 hour. Anyway, it's good. This $10 is really good. It's like all ice. It's got like jelly and stuff with ice and,
Eat all the red beans.
red beans and yeah, it's really good. So we're just down on the water. There's like little, I don't know, little food areas. Very Chinesey. Yeah, it's very nice. Check that out. So it really is bustling of a night. It seems like everyone stays at home and just comes out of a night. Check out this, all different types of satay. Wow. Okay, so we found a little food court. It's pretty big actually. It goes about 70 or 80 metres down. It's busy in here, so we're just going to get some Turkish food. I'm just getting a kebab and chips and Yuli's getting samosa.